Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another R.e.m Beauty by Ariana Grande, but this time chapter 2 review. First off, I'm going to show you swatches of the metallic gel eyeshadow in the shade Affirmation. It's the more like pinky, purpley, kind of taupey at the same time shade. It is stunning, but I didn't use it in this look today. I'm going to do another tutorial and I'm going to do the more iridescent look that she was sporting in one of her campaign shots. This formula is super unique. The only thing it reminds me of is the Colourpop Jelly Mud shadows, but this one still feels like different. I bought the two shades that I felt like were the more unique shade. Touch, which is like a minty with a bit of a blue purple flip to it. They're both very beautiful. Here you can see both the shades I bought next to each other compared. For the eye look today, I went with the minty winged look she did for a lot of her shots, and I got the palette in the shade Gogo Boots. And the main shade that I used was Laugh In, and then I also used So Twiggy later. Just like last time, the eyeshadow palette is super high quality. The shades are really pigmented and beautiful. I can't wait to get more use out of the other colors. I did make a mistake while doing this eyeshadow look. I looked at this shot where it looked like more of like an eyeliner wing, but then later I realized they have it all over her lid. So I do end up later going in and adding more to my lid, but for now, I mean, this is fun too. It doesn't have to be perfect. I have to say I did have a little problem with the gel eyeshadow layering on top of the eyeshadow. It just felt like the more that I tried to apply, the more kind of it tried to crumble off my eye. Later when I added it back to my lid and made it like a bigger wing eyeshadow moment, and I used my finger, it worked out a lot better. I think the warmth of your fingers definitely would be an easier way to use this product. It still worked with my little like nail brushes and a slanted eyeliner brush, but I didn't have that issue. I also had the issue at first that the eyeliner from R.e.m was kind of like skipping over the metallic eyeshadow. Eventually it stopped doing that, but I just figured I would note that. But I mean, I've had that issue with like a lot of gel eyeshadows. I went in with some Milk Makeup The Kush mascara. I don't have her mascara. I know my friend Chelsea does and she really likes it, but I'm not like a huge mascara girl, so I'll probably not pick it up. And then I do have a pair of her lashes, but I decided to go in with just my floofy Shein ones that I've been obsessed lately, just because I did try to apply her lashes from the last collection and it just looked too natural, and we know me, I'm dramatic, I want the big lashes. Then I went in with my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil and I tried to give my eyebrows a little bit of an Ariana like straight brow look, which I feel like we kind of have similar eyebrows, but hers are definitely a lot straighter than mine. After I finished the eye look, I put So Twiggy, which is kind of, it reminds me of the gel shadow and affirmation. It's kind of that icy, pinky, purpley tone, and I put that on my brow. You'll see me go in with my primer and my Kosas foundation. I'm super excited to see what she's doing complexion wise. I'm assuming she's gonna do like a primer, a foundation, maybe a tinted moisturizer, concealers, bronzers, the whole 9 yards. I'm super excited because her makeup always looks flawless and super amazing. I mean, I do have to remember that they're probably using filters and airbrushing things, but I mean, oh well, I'm excited. I mean, she tested this stuff on stage, in the stage heat, performing, sweating, so it has to be good. I decided to pick up the cheek and lipstick in Opening Night, which is kind of like a cool toned mauve color. I was a little worried how this was going to go on my cheeks and my lips because I've had formulas like that before and it felt sticky, but it was surprisingly really easy. It blended out super well. I was kind of confused how to put it on, but I used my brush, I used my fingers, and I used my sponge at one point, and they all worked well, and I love the way it looks on my cheeks. It looks super glowy. And I didn't pick up the mist thing spray, the calming mist that she has, because I have this like lavender calming mist already, but my friend Chelsea did pick it up, so I'm excited to see what it is like when she comes over next. I figure if I like it, maybe eventually I'll buy it, but I thought it was kind of expensive for what it is. It's $24 and I have this one that's $3, so I'm just gonna stick with what I own. And on my lips, it isn't the same, I don't think, formula as the lipstick, obviously. It feels like a lip balm, but like a lipstick at the same time, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's a really good formula, and it doesn't dry down or anything on your lips, but I don't mind that. After I used the lipstick, I put on her plumping gloss in the shade Scrunchy. I have to say, after using this since chapter 1 came out, I do not like this packaging. Once you get kind of low on it, it's really hard to get the product out, and it also is kind of messy on the tip. But other than that, I really like the product within. I just don't really love the packaging on it. It's just, I feel like if you have a hard time with your hands or less mobility, it would be really hard for you to like squeeze the product out because the packaging is so like dense. And that's the completed look. But so far, I'm loving R.e.m Beauty. I'm excited to see what else they're putting out. I know a lot of people, I see a lot of people say it's boring and that the brand is giving nothing, but maybe I'm just biased because I love Ariana, but so far I'm loving pretty much everything from the brand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and keep a lookout for the next Ariana R.e.m recreation videos. Thanks, bye!